In PowerPoint 365, there's the ability to create custom slideshows. This enables a PowerPoint presentation to be tailored as a custom slideshow for a specific client or presentation instead of having to create a separate presentation. Custom slideshows make it more efficient for you to switch between different versions of your presentation. If, for example, you've got varying time constraints, maybe you've got a 15-minute or a 30-minute presentation, for example. A custom slideshow enables you to only include the slides relevant to that particular presentation or discussion, thereby making it a bit more concise. It can also be useful if you have a team of people presenting the same information but with minor modifications to different clients, as it ensures consistency. Let's have a look at how we do this. So I have a presentation on the screen and I'm going to go to the slideshow tab, custom slideshow, custom shows. Now at the moment there's no shows there, but if I click new, I can give this show a name and I'm going to call it Cobram Excavations. And I'll just delete out the rest of that text. On the left hand side, it's showing me all the slides that are in this presentation that I have on the screen. So obviously you'd have the presentation you're going to use as the foundation, but you don't want all the slides. So I want the intro slide, maybe I want the overview, and I would like slide number 5, the graph, and the what's next. So I select the ones that I'd like and I click the add button in the middle. That enables me to move them over to the slides in the custom show. If I want to change the sequence of these slides, you can choose the up or down arrows, or remove if you want to remove something. Now once everything's in there, all I now need to do is click OK. It's listed there and I'm going to click close. The custom slideshow is now saved within the original presentation, so you don't have a separate file. Now, if you want to present just that custom slideshow, you open up your PowerPoint presentation, you come up to slideshow and you can see Cobram Excavations. If I click on that, it takes me straight in and enables me to present that presentation straight away. So it also means that the slide deck can't get edited. So again, really helpful for consistency. I'll just press escape to come out of that. Now, in the event you want to remove that custom slideshow because you no longer need it, if you click the drop arrow and choose Custom Shows. From here you can see Cobram Excavations. I can simply click Remove and Close. So that's working with custom shows in Microsoft PowerPoint 365.